Hi, my name is Sarah Wallace. I'm an analyst with Heavy Reading. Today I'm here with Christophe Coutelle of Huawei, and we're going to talk about the evolution of LTE. Why do you think RCS and RCSE are so important for mobile operators?
Well, we believe RCS and RCSE are very important for operators because it's the natural evolution of their business. It's the natural evolution of communications. It's a way for them to go beyond voice and to provide a compelling user experience. Compelling in terms of features, because with RCS and RCSE, you will find, file transfer, chat, voice, video. So it's a compelling experience. It's also compelling in terms of quality of experience because it's a carrier-grade service. It's not a best effort service, so it's predictable quality of service. And it's also compelling in terms of easiness of use because you're using your phone number as an ID. It's most of the time easy to use from the address book or even sometimes embedded into the native address book of the handsets. So in terms of easiness of use, it's very compelling. So it's launched here in Spain this week. I'm quite optimistic in the coming months. Let's see how it goes.
What is Huawei doing in the RCS field?
So Huawei is fully committed to RCS and RCSE. It's for us a company-level solution. We provide everything from the network infrastructure down to the clients and the handsets also. So actually we're showing here in Barcelona an Android handset with RCSE native features embedded into the address book. We're also showing what we call a TV RCS, which is about embedding an RCS client into a set-top box so that we can use the existing set-top box to do video call, for instance, from home. So we have a demonstration here between the Huawei exhibition and the GSMA exhibition. And we're also obviously trialing with several operators, and I think some tier 1 announcements will come soon in the coming weeks or months.
What about VoLTE? Do you foresee any strong traction in the coming months?
Yeah, we do see strong traction for VoLTE at the moment. I think there is an increasing awareness in the industry about what we call the window of vulnerability that LTE represents if you launch LTE with data only. Because LTE with data only becomes a highway for any over-the-top applications. You have no bandwidth bottleneck, no latency. So if you are not able to provide at the same time a compelling voice experience and more than voice, rich voice, so not only voice but also RCS over LTE, then it may become a threat for the legacy business of the operators. So at this stage, we are receiving a lot of requests for information. I think we will start receiving requests for proposal at the end of this year. So that means that the maturity is getting better and better within the operators' minds. And yes, we believe that we will see the first IMS-based VoLTE deployments sometimes next year.
Finally, is VoLTE ready?
Yes, we believe the ecosystem is ready. Actually, the standards are well defined and quite frozen at the moment. You have chipset manufacturers announcing the first chipset with voice call continuity called SRVCC. The handset manufacturers start to be ready also. All the vendors are ready. So I would say the entire ecosystem is ready. As Huawei, what we do additionally is to try to lower the impact of implementing voice over LTE on their existing network. So for that we have solutions, integrated solutions. You don't have to upgrade your existing networks. You just overlay with a new architecture, and we put the bridge so that clients and the customers on the new architecture can actually seamlessly hand over to their legacy networks. We are putting in place some system integration services so that you don't have to worry about the integration from a network standpoint and from an IT standpoint. And we're also putting on the table some partnerships with wholesalers so that we can solve issues such as LTE roaming or voice over LTE roaming, which is also one of the concerns for operators. So we believe the ecosystem is ready. So.
Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you, Sarah.